Students, today I am going to discuss the self induction, and for this suppose a circular loop, and if a current is established in this loop I, a magnetic field will produce due to this electric current, and due to this magnetic field a flux is linked to the area bounded by this loop, and if the current will change in this loop then flux will change. So at first the flux is directly proportional to the electric current, because the flux is equal to BA cos theta. Here theta is constant and A is constant here. So B will change if the electric current will change. So we can say that this flux is proportional to electric current. And now I am going to multiply a constant, and this constant is equal to phi is equal to Li, and this constant L is known as the self inductance. इसको हम लोग कहते हैं सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस और इसकी यूनिट होती है हेनरी. अब this L is, what is the L, and this L will depend completely on the geometry of this loop. Now according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, this EMF induced is equal to L di by dt, and here the phi is Li, and at first we will write the, according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, E is equal to minus d phi by dt, and hence minus d by dt, and it is equal to Li, and L is constant, so L di by dt. And thus we can say that if there is a change in the I in this loop, there will be an induction of EMF, and this, according to Lenz's law, this EMF is opposite to its cause, and cause is changing electric current. So EMF will tends to reduce this electric current, and so this EMF is known as बैक EMF. इसलिए इसको हम लोग कहते हैं बैक EMF. मीन्स ये कह सकते हैं कि अगर ये I current is constant here, then di by dt is 0, because di by dt is the rate of change in the electric current, then I is constant, so di by dt is 0, then this EMF is 0. And if there is a change, either increase or decrease in I, a EMF will induced, and that the direction of the EMF is always opposes its own cause, so it always opposes the change in I. And thus we can see that its role is the same as the role of mass in the mechanics. You know that in mechanics, body have a property by which it always opposes the cause of the change in its state. This is the Newton's first law of motion. अगर किसी बॉडी में एक प्रॉपर्टी है जिस प्रॉपर्टी उसके चेंज ऑफ रेस्ट या चेंज ऑफ मोशन को अपोज करता है, उस प्रॉपर्टी को इनर्शिया कहते हैं, एंड दिस इज मैकेनिकल इनर्शिया, एंड दैट मैकेनिकल इनर्शिया डिपेंड्स ऑन द mass of the body. So here you can say that this L is the electrical inertia, because this will oppose the change in the electric current, so it is known as the electrical inertia. Now I am going to calculate what will be the value of this self inductance. For this, let us suppose a solenoid of length L and N is total number of turns. A is the area of each loop. एक एक लूप की एरिया A है and small is the n by L. It is known as the number of number of turns per unit length. Now the total flux is equal to Li, as you know by the definition of the L, and suppose this is 1, this relation is considered as number 1 relation. Now the total flux is this. The magnetic value of the magnetic field, the flux is equal to BA cos theta, and for this, what is the B? And you know that for the solenoid, the magnetic field along its axis is equal to mu naught n I. This is the B. Area is suppose A, and but there are so many loops, and the total number of loop is A, so total area is Na. This is the value of this flux, and mu naught n I A, the value of n is value of n is nl, small nl. So thus we can write mu naught n square A I, mu naught n square A and Li. This is the value of phi. Now, so from here, from 1, this L is equal to phi by I, putting the value of the phi, mu naught n square AL I divided by I, and I will cancel out, and now you have mu naught n square AL. This is the value of the self inductance. It is also known as the self inductance constant. Generally it is known as the self inductance, and its value will depend on the number of turns per unit length, area of each of the loop, and L is the total length of the solenoid. If inside this solenoid अगर हम कोई ऐसा मटेरियल यूज करते हैं जिसका रिलेटिव परमिएबिलिटी म्यूआर हो, then this L can be written as mu naught mu r n square AL. So this is the value of L for the self inductance. So it is the aim to get the value of L for a solenoid, and I have already said that the L will depend on the geometry of the solenoid. So you can see here, this is the permeability of the vacuum, and this is the medium, permeability of the medium, number of turns per unit length, area of this loop, and L is the coil. So it is completely depends on the geometry of the solenoid.